What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at 7 reasons why you should not combine solar panels of different wattage and brand in a string. This situation might arise when you have old solar panel installation. Let's take for example that you have an array of 300 watt solar panels and you want to add extra panels to your system to increase the energy generation from the solar panels. And they recommended for you to buy 500 watt solar panels to maximize the efficiency and save space. And when you got the 500 watt solar panels, you are now contemplating on how to connect both the 300 watt solar panel and the 500 watt solar panels. In this video, I will give you 7 reasons why you should not combine solar panels of different wattage and brand in the same string. Watch till the end because I will review to you on how to connect solar panels of different wattage and brand safely without any issues. Number 1 reasons why you should not connect solar panels of different wattage and brand is significant reduction in overall system efficiency and power output. When you combine solar panels of different wattage and brand together, what will happen is that the lesser wattage panel will draw down the wattage of the bigger panel to its own wattage. Using the first analogy that you have 300 watt solar panels and you added 500 watt solar panel to the system. When you connect the 500 watt solar panel and the 300 watt solar panel together, the 300 watt solar panel will draw down the output of the 500 watt solar panel to its range. Instead of you getting close to 500 watts output for your 500 watt solar panel, you will be getting around 300 to 350 watts from your 500 watt solar panel. The 300 watt solar panel will draw down the output of the 500 watt solar panels, making your 500 watt solar panel to underperform. Number 2 is uneven aging and degradation. Mixing panels of different wattage and brands causes uneven aging because they have different cell quality, different manufacturer standard, and different degradation rates. Therefore, if you combine solar panels of different brand and wattage together, what will happen is that they will degrade differently, which will affect the overall output of your entire solar system. Number 3 is mismatch of current causes power loss. When you connect solar panels in series, current should be the same. But when you have different solar panels connected in series, they will produce different current. And the system will settle for the lowest current value. Let's say for example that your 500 watt panel is producing 13 amps and your 300 watt panel is producing around 9 amps. What will happen is that your 300 watt panel will reduce the power output of your 500 watt panel to 9 amps, which indicates lower power output. Number 4 is mismatch of voltage affects MPPT performance. Different solar panels has different VOCs, which stands for open circuit voltage, and different VMP, which stands for voltage at maximum power. When you connect these solar panels together, the charge controller struggles to find its optimal operational point for the solar array, which reduces the efficiency of the MPPT charge controller. Number 5 is increased risk of hotspot. Hotspot in solar panels is a cell or section that overheats because it is forced to carry more current that it can safely handle. This hotspot can be caused by shading of panels and mixing of panels of different wattage or brand. What happens is that the higher wattage panel pushes large current to the lower wattage panels, which will likely cause the cells of the lower wattage panel to overheat and cause hotspot. Number 6 is more complicated design, installation, and maintenance. When you mix solar panels of different wattage and brand, the design and the installation of the solar system is much harder, and also future expansion of the solar system is very complicated. Number 7 is potential warranty invalidation. Many solar manufacturers clearly stated that when you combine their solar panels with different solar panels, you have void the warranty. Therefore, if you have issue with your solar panels because you mix solar panels of different wattage and brand together, you will not get support from the solar panel manufacturer. This is what you need to do when you have solar panels of different wattage or brand. Group the solar panels in their different wattages. Let's say for example that you have 10 pieces of 500 watt solar panel and have 10 pieces of 300 watt solar panels. Group the 300 watt solar panels together and connect it to a separate MPPT charge controller, and group the 500 watt panels together and connect it to a separate MPPT charge controller. But if you have inverters that have double MPPTs, just group the 300 watt solar panel and connect it to a separate MPPT, and group the 500 watt solar panel and connect it to a different MPPT input. If you find this video useful, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release new videos. See you in the next video.